Our lives begin to end the day we become silent about things that matter. True peace is not merely the absence of tension, it is the presence of justice. The arc of the moral universe is long, but it bends toward justice. Love is the only force capable of transforming an enemy into a friend. Freedom is never voluntarily given by the oppressor. It must be demanded by the oppressed. We must accept finite disappointment, but never lose infinite hope. Let us not seek to satisfy our thirst for freedom by drinking from the cup of bitterness and hatred. There comes a time when silence is betrayal. We may have all come on different ships, but we're in the same boat now. Nonviolence is a powerful and just weapon which cuts without wounding. Nothing in the world is more dangerous than sincere ignorance and conscientious stupidity. Forgiveness is not an occasional act, it is a constant attitude. A genuine leader is not a searcher for consensus, but a molder of consensus. There is no gain without struggle. No one really knows why they are alive until they know what they die for. We must build dikes of courage to hold back the flood of fear. Hate destroys the hater more than it destroys the hated. The function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Only in the darkness can you see the stars. We must learn to live together as brothers or perish together as fools. A right delayed is a right denied. Change does not roll in on the wheels of inevitability, but comes through continuous struggle. I am not interested in power for power's sake, but I am interested in power that is moral, that is right, and that is good. Every man must decide whether he will walk in the light of creative altruism or in the darkness of destructive selfishness. Human salvation lies in the hands of the creatively maladjusted. If I cannot do great things, I can do small things in a great way. We must concentrate not merely on the negative expulsion of war, but on the positive affirmation of peace. Those who love peace must learn to organize as effectively as those who love war. Justice too long delayed is justice denied. Our scientific power has outrun our spiritual power. We have guided missiles and misguided men. It is not enough to say we must not wage war. It is necessary to love peace and sacrifice for it. There is no substitute for hard work, intelligence, and faith. The ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands in moments of comfort, but where he stands at times of challenge and controversy. Life's most urgent question is, what are you doing for others? Love is the key to the problems of the world. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you can't be a highway, just be a trail.